Hi, my name is Steven, and I'm the owner of PT Duraquipt Cemerlang. PT Duraquipt Cemerlang is a family-owned business that specializes in industrial pumps. Our customers include customers from oil and gas industry, power plant, petrochemical, and mining industry. PT Duraquipt Cemerlang focuses on the industry that oil and gas needs, and part of what regularly our customers from oil and gas needs is pumps. Here in PT Duraquipt Cemerlang, we try to always invest in the pump industry so that one day we can focus in our price competitively as well as quality. Our customer always demand the cheapest price, best quality, and delivery. And here at PT Duraquipt Cemerlang, we always focus on these three areas so that to make our customer satisfied. Last year, we found some internet security problems in our company. As our company is growing, so our security measures for data becomes more important. So I approached Dewaweb to find some of the services that they provide that can help me increase my internet security measures in the company. So Dewaweb has provided some simple solutions that they provide. Their cloud services, which is very, very convenient and reliable, and I've decided to give their company a chance to improve my data security in the company. So far, I am very satisfied with Dewaweb's services. They're very fast, reliable, and competitive. So I wish your company the best.
Cari hosting yang aman